Hi, the Ampal Creative, a headwear or hat company based out of Roseville, California, which is pretty much near Sacramento. Looks like the company is run by two people, Andrew Patash and Greg Shaw, which are the owner, co-owner, and creative director. They released their full collection back in 2007, so they've been around for a minute, and since then they've tremendously grown, and that's how I found them. Made in the USA, and based on their website, they search local jobbers and manufacturers for premium textiles and unique prints. Often we find a single roll of dead stock material and make as many hats as we can from it. Being 100% hands-on in all stages of development for each hat allows us to ensure the highest level of quality. I picked up the LA City series Corduroy Snapback. Another thing that caught my eye about this company was that they have that vintage style fit. So it doesn't fit like this hat, it doesn't fit like modern type of hats that you see everywhere. It's supposed to look a little, I feel like I've seen this word somewhere, but frumpy, more vintage, like that look and that fit. So maybe not so fit, but at least look. So that was one of the factors that sold me on this company and their hats. So, and this is also my first corduroy hat, so let's get into it. So we got the hat, this card, and sticker. Good luck. Sticker, get a card. Thank you for choosing Ampal. Here's $5 off your next one. That's how they get you. That's how they get you to buy another hat, which might work. So here it is. Immediately looking at it, yeah, it's like pointier. If you could see right here, it's pointier at the front, and this corduroy looks pretty nice. And honestly, like, also saw this or read this somewhere saying their hats look like it was almost lived in, but it's not, which is pretty nice. It, like, at least from what I was looking for, like, it doesn't look like it's a brand new, like, yep, gotta wear it in. Like, it kind of looks like it's already worn in. The fading on the corduroy and the blue. And then on the back, again, you got your snapback. And inside, it says made in USA. You have your tag, again, made in USA, on the inside of the headband. And then you have a greenish, kind of little bit more mute compared to the green I'm wearing underneath the brim. And then you have the logo on the left side of the hat. So, snapback, kind of one size fits all, adjust to your head, so let's get it on. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 adjustments. It's snug. How are we looking? So, I have, I don't know if you guys have been hearing me, I have about a 7 3/8. About 7 3/8 is what a comfortable fit for my head is like, and with it closed all the way to the small size, it fits nice. It doesn't fit tight, it fits snug, so it's not gonna move around, but it fits good, it feels good, and if my head gets bigger, I can make it bigger. So it's a side profile, you can see that. I don't know if you can see the back. So it feels good. You can kind of see it's a little bit flat up top, but I like it. It feels good. The corduroy feels nice, and it looks just like the photo. Made from unstructured 100% cotton 14W corduroy. Herringbone underbrim and fit panel living, vintage felt applique, unstructured crushable upper, custom Ampal chino twill premium sweatband with sweat barrier. Ample unstructured fit. Unstructured like a vintage baseball cap, but deep like a trucker or fitted hat. You know, I normally read the description and the materials prior to talking about it, but we got to it. Alright, well that's a quick one. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Ampal Creative or this hat, which I believe it's sold out and then they stocked it back, so I'll link this one in the description, and you could check out a ton of the other pieces. They have it representing lots of different cities. I believe I saw San Francisco, New York, I saw a couple more. And this one also comes in black, as well as a few other states and cities. So go check that out, and they have a ton of other designs available. Thanks so much for watching, and if you're interested in brands similar to the Ampal Creative, I've linked some of the review videos that I have for them, including Tailor Stitch, Huckberry down below. So go check those out, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.